In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate eBay like a pro, specifically focusing on purchasing PC parts. Whether you're new to the platform or just looking to upgrade your tech gear, these steps will guide you through the process seamlessly. Let's begin with accessing the eBay website. Open your preferred web browser and head over to eBay's homepage. On this platform, you'll find a vast array of categories, but today we're zooming in on the electronics section, which is a treasure trove for tech enthusiasts. This is where you'll find everything related to PC parts, from graphics cards to motherboards and beyond. Once you're on the website, the next step is to use the search bar effectively. Simply type in the specific PC parts you're looking for. It could be anything from a powerful GPU to a reliable RAM module. Be specific with your keywords to help narrow down the results and find exactly what you need. After entering your search terms, you'll be presented with a list of items that match your criteria. This is where things get interesting. You'll want to browse through the results to find the PC parts that best suit your needs. Take your time here and don't rush. This is a critical step where you evaluate the options available. When something catches your eye, click on the listing to get more information. This action will lead you to a new tab or page, which is the product listing, where you'll find all the details about the item. Here, it's important to read the description carefully. This is the seller's opportunity to tell you everything about the PC part, including its specifications, condition, and any potential issues it might have. Now, onto a crucial part of your eBay purchasing journey, checking the reviews and specifications of the items. Before making any decisions, spend some time reading what others have to say about the product and the seller. This gives you insight into the item's quality and the seller's reliability. Look at the ratings, the feedback, and any recurring themes in the reviews. Are previous buyers happy with their purchase? This is your chance to avoid any unpleasant surprises. Here's a helpful tip. When buying used PC parts on eBay, always vet the seller carefully. Check their ratings and reviews, read the listing details thoroughly, and examine the item photos for signs of damage or wear. Sellers with high positive feedback are more likely to be reliable, but always be cautious and trust your instincts. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to finding and purchasing the right PC parts on eBay. Remember, patience and due diligence go a long way in ensuring you have a smooth shopping experience. Happy shopping!